How to fix Instagram video selfie verification not working. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Instagram video selfie verification not working. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open Play Store on your device. Tap search icon at bottom right corner of the screen and the search bar at top of the screen. Type in Instagram, and if you see any updates of Instagram, tap update button and then update it to the latest version. Second step to follow in order to fix the issue is simply clear Instagram cache. Tap and hold Instagram and the eye icon to get access to the app info section of Instagram. Select storage uses, then tap clear cache. Once you do that, lastly make sure to restart your phone. Hold on the power button on your device. Then choose the restart button, and once you restart, you need to check whether your issue has been fixed or not. I am sure that your Instagram video selfie verification will be fixed after following all the steps. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.